To enhance your use of Sales Scorecard Pro, we've set up a full configure panel which you can access from the button up here on the right. And when you land on this panel, you can come through and preset key business drivers, the marketing lead generation, sales goal, process, as well as account management value capture, and the performance programs. What are those individual skill and performance enhancement programs that your company delivers to sales teams? So let's take a quick look at each of these. Key business drivers, again, we've set that up to configure directly in the KBD tab, or also here if you want to pre-configure going into a meeting at the front end of a meeting going in. Marketing, lead generation, here we're looking really at the metric component of that. Currently 100, targeting 125. You can change these here or back up in the marketing panel. But we've given you a direct, easy access to any of the performance metrics to change on the fly or pre-configure ahead of or in the middle of a meeting. Notice here business units. There's 3, A, B, C. You could make that 5 here if you wanted and add those other names, or configure it back down to 2 if you want to focus in on just 2, for example. Multiple degrees of freedom. Sales process, same thing here. We have a 5-stage funnel in this last example. You could change that out back to a 4-stage funnel, and you'd have the metrics that apply here. And again, if you want to make a change to a metric, you can make a change here, preset that in advance. Value capture, again, we're looking here at business units that might potentially have attrition, and if you're able to add revenue with current customers, what does that annual wallet share increase look like for the same business units? So again, mapping it all the way through as an opportunity to look at in one area all of the configurations that you need. Performance programs, here's where you can set, in this case currently up to 7. Let's say you had 3 programs, and maybe it's sales acumen, and it's financial analysis, and close contracts. And you can set price points on that. Let's say this is 1,500, closing contracts 2,500, and maybe the financial analytic analysis might be 1,250, whatever you want on those, and those can be per course or per year, however you want to frame that out. This is important because we use this in looking at the ROI when we come in and ultimately close out and look at the business opportunity and opportunity focus areas. So again, your configure panel, very powerful, very easy to navigate, make some quick changes wherever you need those, close those back down, and go back out to any area of the model that you want. Similarly, you can also set the business impact threshold at whatever level that you want. So set that back down to 0 in this case.